Hey guys, welcome back. The next plugin we are looking today is called HackTrack. So this tool checks if the credential links to your email has been exposed in data leak or has been hacked in any dark web or anywhere. So that's basically what this can do. So this plugin basically is able to do this. So it is used to check if credentials linked to your email has been exposed in data breaches or hacks. Here is how you can use it. You can provide an email you want to check. If it has been hacked, it will send a request to HackerRank plugin using the getTrack function, which will check for any security breaches, hacks and leaks or compromised data associated with the email. And how to use this? We are going to now go ahead and try this. So let me try this one. So you can just copy the prompt here and replace this email with your email. So let me change one of my email here and give my email as the input. So let me call my email. I'll just check @gmail.com. So let's see if this would work. So there are various ways you can send this plugin here. So you can do it this way or use HackerRank if any email has been associated with this, or if you are worried about online security has been exposed in. So these are the various ways you can try this email by default, but try this prompt. So it's anyway going to use that. And it says, I'm sorry to inform, has been found in several data breaches. So it's going to list all the data breaches of which your application was, all the applications where your email is exposed to. So, and you can go ahead and reset your password, or make sure that you reset your password so your data is no longer available to hackers. Or even better way I would recommend is enabling two-factor authentication in your email, so this would not be able to use it. So that's all I wanted to cover. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.